Carter, are you excited about opening a present early for Christmas?
Yes.
Yeah?
It's like Christmas.
Look, there they are. Early Christmas presents.
Yay.
Nathan, are you excited?
Yes.
All right. We're going to do them at the same time, okay? Okay. All right. Guys, sit down next to each other. Right over here. No, turn around so I can see your faces. Sit next to each other. Okay. Here we go. Here's one for Carter. Don't open it yet. Don't open it yet. We're going to do it right at the same time. Okay. Whoa, do that again, Carter. What did you just do? All right. Okay, here we go. Go ahead. Open it, guys. Hurry. Open it. Open it, Nate.